Look who's here.
The following contest is a tag team match set for one fall. On the way to the ring,
as a former tag,
and their opponents, first from Tokyo, Japan,
Just look at the swagger on display. I love it.
swagger. Really, Saxton? You know a number of people in the back just despise this superstar.
Well, the WWE Universe.
No protection, no sanctuary. Lyra Valkyria has arrived.
and from Dublin, Ireland, Lyra Valkyria.
There's the bell, and this tag team match is now official.
Two very talented teams here, but it takes more than just that to succeed as a tandem in WWE. You have to be completely in sync to rise to the top of this division. Taking flight.
Big cross body.
Placed into the corner.
Uh-oh. Reversal after reversal, proving they did their homework.
Down they go. What a move.
Shot right to the midsection.
Tandem offense in effect. A good team knows how to truly work as one.
Driven down.
Great counter.
Has him up for the power slam. Instead delivers the inverted DDT.
Basement drop kick. She's taking some big hits here.
Lyra Valkyria came looking for a fight and is delivering one now. Oh, a shot to the back of the neck.
Valkyria gets countered. Oh, this is going to be great. Looking for the second, and now perhaps.
Again. That's two. And perhaps a trifecta.
The third of the three amigos. Goes into the pin.
Easy kick out there, but they'll get harder soon.
Valkyria retaliates.
Great job refocusing to reverse that.
And she's stunned in the corner. Big impact.
It's got to be demoralizing when you're the combatant on the wrong side of the double team. Maybe you want to rework the game plan about now.
Drop toe hold. And she goes for the pin. And she breaks free before a 1 count.
She is still very much in this.
She returns the favor there. Just turn that around. Oh, God, that hurt. Looking bad for her here. Oh, that opens the door for Valkyria.
Connects the fist to the face. Great counter. DDT.
Vicious double axe handle.
Able to evade.
Nice running crossbody.
Leg lariat.
corner. Oh, right to the body.
Putting up a united front as this match continues.
And the arm drag.
Full impact. Uh-oh, look out. Drive by. Not so fast. Hurricanrana.
It's incredible, the inventiveness we are seeing on display here. Just disrespectful.
A shot like that to the ego could really shake you up mentally.
Boom, what a high kick. Oh, it didn't go as planned there.
Every maneuver being returned with counter fire.
Kick to the gut. Set up.
Flipping pile driver. Spiked.
Looking for the victory. 2. Breaks the count.
She just won't stay down.
And a tag there.
And Lyra Valkyria is revving this crowd up.
Thrown back in under the ropes.
She saw that one coming.
Clothesline! Off with their head. With the counter. Cha-ching! Step up Enziguri. Boom! And a drop kick. Picture perfect.
Enziguri. Oh!
Lyra Valkyria powering up her opponent. Nightwing connects. Now Valkyria needs to end this.
Nasty right hand. Vicious Enziguri.
Nobody home for that one. She's going for it. This could be. And a victory here tonight.
Here are your winners, and Lyra Valkyria.
Tag team chemistry in full effect with these two superstars.
That's about as...
Here comes Finn Balor.
One of the most talented competitors around with a darker edge than ever.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Bray, County Wicklow, Ireland, weighing in at 190 pounds, Finn Balor!
You know, Finn Balor used to have such a deep connection with the WWE Universe, but he's thrown all that away with this new attitude.
I'd argue that was the smartest thing that Balor's ever done. Finn used to be the guy who let glory slip through his fingers, who fell just short of expectations, but now he's living...
The Irish Ace, ready for a fight.
And his opponent from Bray, County Wicklow, Ireland, weighing in at 180 pounds, J.D. McDonough.
For what McDonough lacks in size, he makes up with ego.
Just look at J.D. McDonough, unfazed out here to prove that he is a champion caliber superstar. Ready to unleash that intensity, that in-your-face style.
McDonough definitely doesn't let the noise get to him. He stays focused on the task at hand, as brutal as it and he can be.
But Finn Balor's become obsessed with accumulating power and wreaking havoc on anyone who stands in the way of his goals.
Balor's always been a certified threat, but now he's off the leash. So if you want to put yourself in a very dangerous position, then get in Balor's way and see what happens.
Finn turns it around. What a forearm.
Whoa, not quite yet.
Finds the advantage after a string of counters.
Oh, pressing their foot right into the gut. That's got to hurt. Getting set up for something in the corner. Boom! Drop kick.
Balor with the kick. Balor on the move. Basement drop kick. Finds the mark.
With a high-risk style like Finn Balor's, the smartest thing to do is get the advantage of him and simply bide your time until an opening arises to make him crash and burn.
Yes, timing is everything against a high-risk talent like Balor.
No way!
Oh, no! Crashing hard onto the floor.
The foot DDT!
Taken down with a body slam. This match's brutality starting to show on him.
Might be the start of Balor turning up the heat.
He's been placed in the corner now.
Corner and a couple back elbows to follow.
Ducked underneath.
Instead, what a German suplex.
Arm wringer applied into the top wrist lock. Full control now.
Now starts to fight out with some punches to the gut. There it is, the sling blade.
Turning the tables there. Springboard misses the target. Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
A lifted inverted 1916.
And Finn takes enjoyment in the suffering that move causes his opponent.
Finn looking to put him away. 1916.
Did Finn clinch this?
Cover. An emphatic victory.
Here is your winner, Finn Balor!
And this has to be a deflating loss for J.D. McDonough.
McDonough can't let...
The big, strong boy.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Dudley, England, weighing in at 175 pounds, Tyler Bate!
Tyler may be all smiles backstage, but he brings...
The WWE Universe just exploded.
And his opponent from California, weighing in at 160 pounds, Charlie!
Guys, this match has the potential to completely change the WWE landscape.
Tyler Bate calls himself the big, strong boy despite his size. Gets the message across. Bate exceeds all expectations, is a much bigger threat than he may appear to be.
Yeah, Bate may be built like a cruiserweight, but he balances the scales with his unorthodox in-ring style and surprising power. He packs a deceptively strong punch.
Bate is hoping those impressive ring skills will help him get the win here in this one.
But across the way is a man who's rededicated his focus. Someone who's been spending extra time training and scouting for his competition.
He's got him covered. And he kicks out quick.
Too soon. Tossed into the corner. Oh, stiff uppercut. Oh, dear. This doesn't look good. Ouch. That's one way to get your opponent out of the corner. Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Oh, driving the elbow. He is getting rid of the turnbuckle pad. Don't say that too loud, Saxon. He might get caught.
No!
He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
Absolutely throwing all caution to the wind.
Spitting in the face of danger.
So what does Tyler Bate have to do in order to leave here victorious?
Bate's very good at wearing opponents down over time, but he has to be wary of tiring himself out. He has to be ready to flip that switch and not let things get to a point where he runs out of steam.
Wrench in the arm. Not done yet. Into the arm breaker.
Hammerlock. Boom!
That attack was definitely pre-calculated, hoping to greatly diminish the power in that.
Look out!
Saw it coming.
He's in a predicament here.
Oh, tossed aside. The damage he could pin his opponent right here. A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build.
Channeling his energy to stay in this matchup.
And misses on the springboard.
Launching.
Oh, misses the mark. Boy, what a kick. Turning the tables.
Oh my goodness! Kick to the spine.
Deep arm drag takedown.
Nice drop kick. Make it twice. They are rolling here.
And all that momentum comes to a screeching stop. Tyler Bate with a standing shooting star.
Acrobatics like that take a tremendous amount of cardio and strength.
What a suplex. And he said, "You're not getting me with that this time." Way to steer clear.
And responds with a counter of their own. Whoa, just floating through the air.
Shoulders down, this could be it. And he easily stops the ref's count.
Close call, but not enough yet.
That holds back Bates' attack.
Vicious right forearm.
Uh-oh. This isn't going to be pretty.
Nice suplex.
Tyler Bate with all the confidence of a young man and none of the intelligence. Stay on him, kid. Watch out.
Suicide dive to the outside.
Cole does it better.
Risking it all and able to connect like a homing missile.
Goes under the ropes to get back inside. And that failed to hit the mark.
Vicious right forearm.
Picture-perfect drop kick.
Can he score the pin? Fending off a 2 count there.
Getting that shoulder up seemed to be pretty easy.
Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
It's hard to watch, too. Bate looking to humiliate his opponent.
He saw it coming, taking advantage. Oh, he may be in a bad way here.
Yeah, but you can't count anyone out yet. This match could still go either way.
Oh, right to the throat. Great move.
And just like that, we've kicked the tempo up a notch. Oh!
Bate cuts him off.
Hoist their opponent up, round and round we go for an airplane spin, and not stopping. Not quite yet. Well, no, I guess we are going the other way around. Man, what a way to punish your opponent.
And if you're not careful, for yourself as well. Big, strong boy doing big, strong boy things.
Just pure compact power from the first ever United Kingdom champion.
Lift off.
Spiral tap. Will Bate end this? shoulders down.
Tyler Bate with the W.
Here is your winner, Tyler Bate.
Quite the win here for Tyler Bate.
Success following Tyler Bate once more.